Hello! Welcome to our channel. Nice having you around. My name is Kamsi and I'm 9 years old. In our channel, we make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle. In today's video, I want to show you how to make okra soup on budget. So, okra soup is my favorite, but it's not available. So I asked my mom to make some, but she could only spare 1,000 for this soup. So let's see what you can get. This is the list my mom wrote. Okra 200, vegetable 100, bomo 200, iced fish 400, pepper 50, seasoning 50, total is 1,000. We already have red oil, so I'm not going to buy that one. Still, I'm going to nearby store to get them. Okra 200, vegetable 100. Yeah, my viewers, these are the items I got. Okra 200, vegetable 100, bomo 200, yellow pepper 50, seasoning 50, smoked fish 400. I didn't see iced fish, so I got smoked fish. We already have red oil and crayfish. First, I'm going to start by washing my hands. Now, I'm going to boil this bomo because this one is a very hard one. While the bomo is on heat, I'm going to start cutting the okra. It's time to grind the pepper and onions. Now, I'm going to add the ground pepper combination to the bomo. Crayfish. and stir again. Seasoning to it. Now cover it and allow it for some time. Now add the red oil and smoked fish and allow it for 2 minutes. Then red oil. Now cover it and allow for 2 minutes. Add the okra. Finally, add the vegetable and allow to simmer for 2 minutes and it's done. Now allow it to simmer for 2 minutes and it's done. In my previous okra soup, I used frying method, but this is a different method. So you can use different methods when you're cooking the okra soup. Now my viewers, the okra soup is ready. Very delicious, isn't it? Soup and veggie. Maybe in my next video I will share more tips for meals on budgets. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.